So your teacher's been having you write in your blog and do lots of different things in your blog, but now it's time for you to turn it in. First, we have to make sure all our settings are right. Okay, we've made sure that we've come down and we went to manage our site, that we went to the bottom and we made sure that we allowed embedding, that's clicked. We know that we need to choose the right one. We can choose the exact blog post that we want because our teacher has told us exactly what to submit. So my teacher asked for a meme, and they want this September post right here. So now I've already made sure that I shared it, okay? And when I did the sharing, all I did is I made sure that this was on view, and I had already given people, my teachers, the ability to view this. I made sure that there was nobody notified. So these are all things that you should make sure you've already done. And once you've done them once, you won't have to do them over and over again. But if you haven't done those things, that's something that'll probably create a problem. Now, there is another video that shows you how to do this. So let's go back to the site. And let's go back to the meme. We're going to come up here. We're going to click in the white portion of the bar here, and that gives the entire bar. Even back here, there's some things that Google makes invisible. If you're working on a Chromebook, you're going to want to hit Control-C. That will go ahead and copy that URL to your clipboard. So I'm going to hit the keys Control-C. You didn't see anything happen, but it copied that to the clipboard. Now I'm going to be going back into my coursework in order to submit my assignment. So I go back to my course. I look over the way that things are, and usually I've got a to-do list and a coming up list. So I'm going to go into the dummy blog test here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it says to share my URL of your blog post for. Your teacher's going to give you information, what they want you to share, okay? But they're always probably going to have you submit it as a website URL. This is a website URL. Hit Submit Assignment. You'll notice you only get two choices, website URL or the CK12 practice, which we don't use. For this, we're just using this website URL. You place your cursor there, make sure it's blinking, little blue outline. Then you're going to hit Control-V as in Victor. And you'll notice that it pops in there. You can even see some of the code there of the URL, which tells us that this is the right portion. If you wanted to check, you could just go back. It looks the same here. Now I'm ready. Now I click Submit Assignment. It tells me I've turned it in. It even gives me the check mark. And it gives me some things I can do here. If I'm not sure, I could go back. I can view the original page and look, there it is. That's what I actually submitted. I can view my submission details here, and that will give me the information. Okay, it gives me almost like the look that it'll look like with the grade. This is kind of the way the teachers see it. So just remember that your teacher's going to be asking for that URL and that this is the way for you to get there. Thank you.